Kalamera, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Destination Seekers, where we explore the world's most incredible places and share tips to make your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Greece's islands. From the stunning sunsets of Santorini to the lively beaches of Mykonos, I'll guide you through the best ways to navigate these iconic destinations and uncover the hidden gems that make each island unique. So grab a cup of Greek coffee and let's begin planning your dream island hopping adventure. Segment 1. Understanding island hopping in Greece. Island hopping in Greece is a magical experience, but it does require some planning. First, let's talk about the basics. Greece is home to over 6,000 islands, of which around 200 are inhabited. These islands are grouped into several clusters, each with its own character. The Cyclades, which include Santorini and Mykonos, are the most famous. Then there are the Dodecanese, the Ionian Islands, the Sporades, and Crete, each offering something different. When to visit? Timing is everything. The best time to visit the Greek islands is during the shoulder seasons, April to June and September to October. The weather is perfect, and the crowds are thinner, making it ideal for exploration. Transportation. The most common way to travel between the islands is by ferry. The ferry system in Greece is extensive, with several types of ferries ranging from high-speed catamarans to slower, larger vessels. You can book tickets online through platforms like Ferry Hopper or at local travel agencies. If you prefer to fly, there are airports on major islands like Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete, offering domestic flights. Local travel. Once on the islands, getting around is easy. Public buses are reliable and budget-friendly, while renting a car or scooter gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Taxis are also available, but can be expensive, especially during peak times. Segment 2. Discovering Santorini, the jewel of the Cyclades. Santorini, with its iconic whitewashed buildings and breathtaking caldera views, is a must-visit destination. Getting there. Santorini is accessible by both ferry and plane. The ferry ride from Athens takes about 5 to 8 hours, while flights from Athens take around 45 minutes. Where to stay? Santorini offers a range of accommodations, with the main towns being Fyra, Oia, and Imeravili. Fyra is the bustling capital, offering vibrant nightlife and easy access to other parts of the island. Oia is known for its stunning sunsets and romantic ambiance, making it a favorite for honeymooners. Imeravili, perched on the highest point of the caldera, offers panoramic views and a more peaceful atmosphere. Getting around. The best way to explore Santorini is by bus or car. The island's bus network is reliable, connecting you to all the main attractions. However, if you prefer to explore at your own pace, renting a car is a great option. Just be aware that parking can be limited, especially in the more popular towns. Must-see sites. Don't miss the famous sunset in Oia, arrive early to secure a good spot. For history lovers, the Akrotiri archaeological site offers a fascinating glimpse into the ancient Minoan civilization. And if you're looking to relax, head to one of Santorini's unique beaches, like Red Beach, known for its dramatic red cliffs. Segment 3. Uncovering Mykonos, the island of the winds. Next, we head to Mykonos, renowned for its lively nightlife, stunning beaches, and charming villages. Getting there. Mykonos is easily accessible from Santorini by ferry or plane. The ferry journey takes about 2 to 5 hours, while flights are just 40 minutes. Where to stay? Mykonos town, or Kora, is the island's main hub, offering a vibrant atmosphere with plenty of bars, restaurants, and shops. For a more laid-back experience, consider staying in Ornos or Plades Jalos, both of which offer beautiful beaches and a quieter vibe. Getting around. Mykonos is a small island, but getting around can be challenging due to its narrow, winding roads. Public buses are a reliable and affordable option, connecting you to the main towns and beaches. For those looking to explore more remote areas, renting a scooter or ATV is popular, but be sure to drive carefully. Must-see sites. In Mykonos town, wander through the narrow streets and visit landmarks like the iconic windmills and Little Venice. For beach lovers, Paradise Beach and Super Paradise Beach are famous for their lively beach clubs, while Agios Sostis offers a more tranquil experience. And if you have time, take a day trip to the nearby island of Delos, one of the most important archaeological sites in Greece. Segment 4. Exploring Crete, the island of myth and legend. Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, is a destination in itself, offering everything from stunning beaches to ancient ruins. Getting there, Crete is accessible by both ferry and plane, with major airports in Heraklion and Chania. The ferry journey from Athens takes about 8 to 10 hours, while flights are just 1 hour. Where to stay? Crete is divided into several regions, each offering a different experience. Heraklion is the island's capital and a great base for exploring the eastern part of the island. Chania, with its picturesque Venetian harbor, is ideal for exploring the west. Rethymno, located between Heraklion and Chania, offers a more relaxed atmosphere. Getting around, renting a car is the best way to explore Crete, as it allows you to visit the island's more remote areas. The roads are generally well maintained, but be prepared for some narrow and winding routes. Must-see sites. The Palace of Gnosis, near Heraklion, is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. The Samaria Gorge, one of Europe's longest gorges, offers a stunning hike through Crete's rugged landscape. And for beach lovers, Elefsinici and Bailos are two of the most beautiful beaches on the island. Segment 5. Navigating the ferry system. The Greek ferry system is key to island hopping, and while it's extensive, it can be a bit overwhelming for first-timers. Types of ferries. There are several types of ferries, ranging from high-speed catamarans to larger, slower vessels. High-speed ferries are faster but can be more expensive and less stable in rough seas. Conventional ferries offer a more relaxed experience, with outdoor decks and amenities like restaurants and shops. Booking tickets. It's a good idea to book your ferry tickets in advance, especially during the high season. You can book online or at local travel agencies. Keep in mind that ferry schedules can vary depending on the season, so always check the schedule for your specific route. On board, most ferries offer comfortable seating, food and drink options, and restrooms. For longer journeys, consider booking a cabin for added comfort. Conclusion. Greece's islands offer a diverse and enchanting experience, whether you're seeking the vibrant nightlife of Mykonos, the stunning sunsets of Santorini, or the rugged beauty of Crete. With the right planning and these tips in hand, your island hopping adventure is sure to be unforgettable. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you're ready to explore more of the world's most incredible destinations, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Yamas and safe travels.